One thing I would not do that our state has done, our state separated the capital bill from our operating budget bill. And what happened? All the legislators voted for the capital bill. Why? Because it gave each of them line items to earmark projects for their district that helped them keep getting elected. And it also brought us this scourge of video gambling machines, which everyone I talk to thinks is a colossally bad idea because it preys on the least fortunate people of our state. So I would never try and do what the senator did, which is to try and find revenue on the backs of those folks. And I would not allow the capital bill to be separate. And here's why. Your antenna should go up as citizens when there is a narrow majority passing our general budget, but the capital budget flies through with Republicans and Democrats alike. When there's anything that Mike Madigan and Tom Cross can agree on and bring all their members to the table, you should be worried and say, hold up. Because it means that there's some kind of sweeteners that are not done in the best interest of the state, but are done in the best interest of those legislators. And so I think our attempt to try and divorce the capital bill from the other bill allows people to make what they think are easier choices on the capital bill and avoid tough choices on the operating budget of our state and on our taxes and revenue.